Almost everyone knows that AI can help you make money, so it's not about awareness. The real problem is clarity. You're actually stuck in this weird place where you know AI is powerful, but you have no clue how to actually turn that into real money. You watch these YouTubers talking about making thousands with AI, although they exaggerate the numbers, but they never really break down the actual real business models through which people can actually earn good money. People hear about AI tools, prompts, automation, agents, content creation, and everything sounds promising, but also overwhelming. Most people don't fail because AI is difficult. They fail because nobody explains how these ideas actually turn into real sustainable income. In this video, I'm not going to sell you dreams. I'm going to walk you through 15 real, proven ways people are already earning with AI. Not theory, not speculation, real business models that are working. Ways that don't require you to be a hardcore coder and don't need millions of followers. By the end of this video, you'll clearly know which path fits you, makes sense for you. Right now, the biggest problem isn't lack of opportunity, it's overload. Too many tools, too many gurus, too many half-baked ideas. The information is so cluttered, and because nothing is explained properly, people quit before they even start. So let's fix that, slowly, clearly, and practically. The first opportunity is building task-specific AI assistants or custom GPTs. Most people think companies want AI. They don't. They want solutions to very specific problems. Instead of using ChatGPT like everyone else, you customize it for a specific task. For example, a resume review assistant for job seekers, a LinkedIn profile optimizer, a proposal writer assistant, a DSA prep assistant, and a content planner. You're not inventing new AI, you're customizing existing models to perform one job extremely well. You're packaging intelligence around a clear problem. People don't pay for AI, they pay for clarity and outcomes. The value here comes from focus. When an assistant saves someone time repeatedly, people are very willing to pay. Companies and professionals are desperate for AI assistants that actually understand their specific needs. Approach companies and build internal AI assistants for them. Sales teams need help writing cold emails, legal teams need contract summarizers, finance teams need invoice processors. Every department has repetitive tasks that AI can handle, and most companies have no idea how to set this up. That's where you come in. Sell access to niche agents or charge companies to build internal custom assistants. Next is AI-powered content creation and automation. Content creation is no longer about doing everything manually, it's about building systems. AI can now handle idea generation, research topics, script drafting, voiceovers, descriptions, thumbnails, publishing schedules, posting, and even performance analytics. AI can handle like 80% of that workload. Your job is to orchestrate the process. Either you build and scale your own content channels, often faceless, or you offer content automation services to creators or businesses who don't want to manage the workflow themselves. Of course, people monetize with ads and sell their own services and products later. On top of that, many people combine this with affiliate marketing, like product or tool reviews, comparisons and tutorials, or create email sequences that nurture your audience and push affiliate products. This is not passive income, it requires systems, but once those systems are in place, it becomes highly scalable. If you understand content structure and automation flow, this becomes a scalable asset, not a hustle. The content creates the traffic, AI handles the heavy lifting, and affiliate commissions roll in while you sleep. Alright, so next is AI-powered course production. Course creation used to be time-consuming and expensive, but with AI, you can compress that timeline drastically. AI now assists with curriculum mapping, lesson planning, script drafting, personalized practice plans, and creates slides, quizzes, flashcards, and worksheets. What AI does not replace is your experience, perspective, and clarity of explanation. That's where the real value lies. You bring context and clarity, and again, AI does the heavy lifting. You can sell recorded courses, live cohort-based sessions, and workshops, or publish on platforms like Udemy and Teachable. People don't buy courses for perfection. They buy courses because they want someone to organize knowledge for them. The beauty here is that once you create one course and see it selling, you can pump out more courses way faster. Some people are building entire course libraries in niches they know well, and each course becomes a passive income stream. Okay, next is AI voiceover, dubbing, and audio services. It's a massive and growing demand. Creators want faster turnaround. Brands want multilingual reach. Courses want updates without re-recording. So basically, creators, advertisers, educators, authors, and brands all need voiceovers, explainers, audiobooks, and multilingual versions of their content. AI allows you to offer high-quality voiceovers, dubbing in multiple languages, and content localization for different markets without owning a studio. If you package this professionally, it becomes a repeat client service. Many clients are not paying for the voice itself, they're paying for speed, consistency, and scale. Companies trying to expand globally are willing to pay serious money for localization packages. You can offer multilingual dubbing services. Take an English video and create Spanish, French, Portuguese, Hindi versions using AI voices that actually sound natural now. Next opportunity is AI-assisted data and research services. Founders and teams are flooded with information, but they lack time and synthesis. They hate research, but they desperately need insights. AI can summarize market research, scrape data, analyze competitors and trends, process customer surveys, and create first-draft reports. But raw AI output isn't enough. Your role is not to blindly deliver AI output, but to interpret it, refine it, and add judgment. You take AI drafts, add human insight, and deliver decisions, not data. That's why businesses pay. That combination, AI speed plus human reasoning, is extremely valuable in decision-making environments. AI handles the grunt work, but you bring the strategic thinking and context that makes it actually valuable. Market yourself to startups, small businesses, or even agencies that need research arms. This is especially good if you have expertise in a specific industry, because you can charge premium rates for specialized knowledge. Next is AI-optimized e-commerce and dropshipping. E-commerce is still printing money, but the competition is insane. Everyone's fighting for attention. This is where AI gives you an edge. Use AI to research winning products. It can analyze trends, search volumes, competition levels, and predict what's about to blow up. Then use it to write SEO-optimized product titles and descriptions that actually rank on Google and convert visitors. AI can create your ad creatives, design product images, and even build automated product recommendation engines for your store. You can either run your own online store using these optimizations or offer AI optimization services to store owners. Most store owners don't need more products. They need better decisions, faster. You're not gambling on ads. You're improving conversion, positioning, and decision-making. All right, so next is AI consulting and training for businesses. Most companies know AI matters. They've heard about ChatGPT, maybe played with it once or twice, but they just don't know what to use or how to integrate and where to start. That's where consulting comes in. You run audits, suggest workflows, and teach teams. You could offer mini workshops, team training sessions, workflow redesigns, and industry-specific AI playbooks. Show them how to automate documentation, build knowledge bases, handle emails faster, automate repetitive tasks. Walk them through actual use cases relevant to their industry. For example, a playbook for real estate agents showing exactly how to use AI for property descriptions, client communications, market analysis, or a playbook for marketing agencies on using AI for campaign creation, client reporting, content generation. Package your knowledge, sell it repeatedly. You're not selling tools, you are selling clarity, direction, and confidence. This isn't tech consulting, it's practical AI literacy for business operations. This works especially well with founders, agencies, and small teams who want results without experimenting blindly. Next is AI-powered digital products. This is pure passive income territory. Create something once, sell it forever. We're talking about templates, prompt packs, automation workflows, course outlines, thumbnail packs, ChatGPT plugins, digital products that people need and are actively searching for. Notion templates are selling like crazy right now. Productivity systems, project management templates, content calendars, all AI enhanced. Or create prompt packs for specific professions, a pack of 100 prompts for social media managers, or 50 prompts for copywriters, or prompts for e-commerce store owners. Digital products are about leverage. You create them once and sell them repeatedly on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Podium. These products succeed when they solve small but recurring problems, and if you create something actually useful, the sales compound over time. Next opportunity is build small AI tools as micro SaaS. Now we're getting into building actual software, but don't let that scare you. Micro SaaS means you're solving one specific problem for one specific niche. Build small tools for narrow problems. Think about agencies need AI proposal generators. Content creators need automatic caption generators. Real estate agents need listing rewriters. Lawyers need contract summarizers, and small businesses need simple CRM assistants or WhatsApp chatbots for customer service. People are willing to pay for tools that save even a few minutes daily because that time compounds. Pick a niche you understand, identify a painful, repetitive task they deal with, and build an AI tool that solves it. You can use no-code tools or hire a developer on Upwork to build the MVP. Charge a small monthly subscription, even just $20 or $30 per user, and once you have 100 users, that's $2,000 to $3,000 monthly recurring revenue. Small tool, specific pain, and recurring revenue. That's the formula. It's a niche-focused AI. And here's the next opportunity, which is AI automation and agent agency. Okay, this is the big one. It's one of the most serious high-impact opportunities. This is where serious money is being made right now. Companies are drowning in repetitive workflows and processes. Customer support tickets, email responses, lead qualification, data entry, scheduling, reporting, all of this eats up time and payroll. What you do is position yourself as an AI solution company. You go into a business, audit their workflows, identify what can be automated, and then implement AI systems that handle it. Build AI chatbots for customer support. Set up AI email triage systems. Create lead generation, scoring, and qualification systems. Automate their CRM updates, reporting, scheduling, all the back office stuff. You're not just reducing operational costs and saving them money, you're actually helping them generate more revenue through new AI-powered sales pipelines and faster response time. This is agency-level work with agency-level pricing. You can charge thousands per project, plus ongoing monthly retainers for maintenance and optimization. Businesses don't argue with systems that produce measurable results. They pay because it saves money and scales revenue. Next is AI short-form content generation services. Brands, especially direct-to-consumer brands, are absolutely desperate for content right now. Instagram Reels, TikToks, YouTube Shorts, they need to pump out content constantly to stay relevant. But creating quality short-form content takes time and creativity. It's now a business requirement. Use AI to generate user-generated content style ads, talking head explainers, create voiceovers, write captions, and repurpose existing content into multiple formats. One long-form video can become 10 short-form clips with AI doing the editing and optimization. Reach out to DTC brands, e-commerce stores, personal brands, and offer monthly content packages. They send you raw footage or ideas. You turn it into a steady stream of engaging short-form content. Charge per piece or offer monthly retainer packages, which makes this model stable and predictable. Brands want volume, and creators want speed. You're selling consistency. All right, so next is AI-enhanced freelancing services. Freelancing is not dead. It's actually getting more lucrative if you know how to use AI properly. The key is using AI to increase your output and quality, not to replace your value. Offer SEO-optimized content writing, where AI helps with research and first drafts, but you edit and optimize. Copywriting for landing pages, email sequences, product descriptions. AI speeds up the process, you ensure quality. Ad creatives, graphic design, thumbnails, posters, logo design. AI handles initial concepts and variations, you refine and finalize. You can also offer specialized prompt work. Businesses need help creating effective prompts or fine-tuning AI outputs for their specific needs. If you understand how to get the best results from AI tools, that's a marketable skill right there. The beauty of AI-enhanced freelancing is you can take on more clients, deliver faster, and charge premium rates because your output quality is consistently high. AI increases your speed, but your taste, judgment, and communication determine your value. Okay, next is build an AI customer support outsourcing company. Scaling teams for customer support is expensive and time-consuming, but every company needs it. SaaS startups especially are looking for affordable, scalable support solutions. So what you can do is you set up AI-powered help desks using tools like Zendesk integrated with GPT or Intercom with AI. The AI handles Tier 1 support, answering common questions, troubleshooting basic issues, and routing complex tickets to humans. You manage the system and provide the human backup when needed. You can hire a small team of support agents who handle the cases AI can't resolve, but the AI is doing like 70 to 80% of the work. This means you can service multiple clients with a lean team and your margins are fantastic. AI handles 80%, humans handle edge cases, you manage the system, not the tickets. Market this to SaaS companies, e-commerce stores, online service businesses, anyone with high support volume. Charge based on ticket volume or monthly retainers. Offer 24/7 support without large human teams. This often leads to recurring contracts, which is ideal for long-term income. Next opportunity is AI data extraction and document processing services. This is incredibly boring but incredibly profitable. Accounting firms, finance companies, logistics businesses, they all deal with mountains of documents. Invoices, contracts, PDFs, receipts, shipping documents. Someone has to extract all that data and enter it into systems. That's where AI comes in. Use AI-powered document processing to extract details from invoices, contracts, PDFs, and automatically populate CRM, accounting systems, or Excel sheets. What used to take hours of manual data entry now takes minutes. This is not glamorous, which is why it pays well. Accounting, finance, and logistics firms rely heavily on this kind of work. You set up the system, maybe hire a couple of people to handle exceptions and quality control, and service multiple clients. Charge per document processed or monthly based on volume. It's not sexy work, but the demand is massive and businesses will pay well for accuracy and speed. And the last opportunity is AI-generated print-on-demand and digital art. This is perfect if you're creative but don't want to deal with inventory. Use AI to generate artwork, patterns, and designs, then sell them on print-on-demand platforms as physical products, like phone cases, t-shirts, hoodies, posters, mugs, whatever. The cool thing about AI art is you can create highly specific niche designs at scale. Find underserved niches, maybe funny accounting jokes for accountants, motivational quotes for nurses, breed-specific designs for dog lovers. Use AI to generate variations and test what sells. Or just sell the designs themselves as digital downloads. People buy artwork for their homes, offices, personal projects. Create a portfolio of AI-generated prints, list them on Etsy or your own site, and earn passive income from digital downloads with zero production costs. This model works best when combined with niche targeting and strong presentation. Okay, now look, here's the reality. AI is not a shortcut to money, but AI combined with clarity, execution, and patience is a very powerful tool. Every single one of these 15 methods is already making people real money, not theoretical money, not potential money, actual deposits hitting bank accounts every single month. The barrier to entry has never been lower. You don't need a computer science degree, you don't need a massive budget, you just need to pick one of these paths, commit to learning the specific skills around it, and actually execute. The people winning right now aren't the smartest or the most technical, they're just the ones who started. You don't need to chase all 15 paths. You only need to pick one that aligns with your skills, your time, and your temperament. Commit to it seriously, build proof, and let results compound. Even you don't have to stick with your first choice forever. Try it for 30 days, see if it clicks. If it doesn't click, try another. The skills you build in one area transfer to others. It's all part of the learning curve. AI won't make you rich overnight, but it will compress time, reduce effort, and amplify skill. And the winners aren't tool collectors, they're problem solvers with direction. If this video helped you see things clearly, subscribe for more grounded, practical explanations like this. And if you know someone who's overwhelmed by AI right now, share this with them. Clarity is rare, and it's worth spreading. And drop a comment which path you're choosing. I read every single comment, and I'll give you personalized advice on how to get started with that specific method. If you genuinely want to support us, the join button is right there. It truly helps. All right, see you in the next one.